Hi. We are excited to welcome you to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be demonstrating how to set custom paper size and margin for HTML to PDF generation with the help of PDF.co and Zapier. For the complete guide, we have provided a link to the tutorial in the description box below. We invite you to explore more about PDF.co and discover its capabilities. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and locate the Create Zap button. Next, let's proceed to the action step and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Anything to PDF converter to convert any documents to PDF format. Let's set up the configuration. First, select the raw HTML code option. Next, add the HTML code that you want to appear in the document. Then enter the name of your desired output PDF file. In the Custom Profiles field, enter the margin values for all four sides and the paper size. You can set the paper size for other options. Please refer to our API docs. You can see the link in the description box below. Now, let's test the action to see the result. The test was successful. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the converted PDF and set the PDF's margin and paper size according to our requirements. We have a lot of tutorials available on our PDF.co website. You can also visit our YouTube channel for more informative content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.